Must try. 7 easy and yummy dessert recipes with air fryer. Recipe 1, egg tarts. Ingredients: egg tart skins, 2 egg yolks, 1 egg, 70 grams sugar, 150 ml milk. Instructions: 1. Preheat air fryer to 320 degrees Fahrenheit. 2. In a bowl, mix eggs, sugar, and milk. Strain through a sieve. Place tart skins in air fryer. Fill with mixture. Bake for 10 minutes. Enjoy the creamy, crispy goodness. Recipe 2, crispy apple pie. Ingredients: apples, butter, sugar, starch, pancake wraps, egg wash, black sesame seeds. Instructions: 1. Sauté apple pieces in butter. Add sugar and starch to thicken. 2. Cool filling, fill pancake wrap, brush edges with egg wash, sprinkle sesame seeds. 3. Air fry at 340 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. Enjoy. Recipe 3, banana baked custard milk. Ingredients: 2 eggs, 1 spoonful sugar, 150 ml milk, 1 banana, evaporated milk, black sesame seeds. Instructions: 1. Preheat air fryer to 300 degrees Fahrenheit. 2. Mix eggs, sugar, and milk. Add banana slices and evaporated milk. 3. Sprinkle sesame seeds and bake for 20 minutes. Enjoy. Recipe 4, crispy hash browns. Ingredients: potatoes, salt, starch, oil. Instructions: 1. Mash cooked potatoes. Mix in salt and starch. 2. Shape patties, brush with oil, and air fry at 356 degrees Fahrenheit for 22 minutes. Enjoy. Recipe 5, rice cooker cake. Ingredients: 2 egg yolks, 2 TBSP flour, 2 TBSP sugar, 2 egg whites, 200 grams milk, 1 TBSP oil. Instructions: 1. Mix yolks, milk, flour, sugar, and oil. 2. Whip egg whites with sugar. Fold into yolk mixture. 3. Pour into greased rice cooker and steam for 50 minutes. Enjoy! Recipe 6, strawberry yogurt cake. Ingredients: yogurt, 2 eggs, sugar, starch, strawberries. Mix well. 2. Fold in your favorite strawberries. Pour the mixture into a baking dish and air fry at 300 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. Enjoy. Happy cooking!